With the advancement of digital technology and the new pandemic lifestyle, excessive screen time has become a grave concern. Digital blue light not only causes physical eye strain and discomfort, it also affects our sleep cycle and directly impacts our mental health. Introducing Veer, 2-in-1 luxury smart glasses. Eye protection redefined. The frame was created with Ultem, an eco-friendly, FDA-approved material used in aircraft and the medical industry. Remarkably lightweight, flexible, durable, and heat-resistant. It weighs only 12 grams, but is unlikely to break even when sat on. The temple contours perfectly around your head, carefully curved to reduce pressure points. Its cutting-edge ergonomic designs integrate perfectly with the adjustable titanium nose pads, providing a perfect balance mechanism and flexibility to fit all kinds of facial features, offering unparalleled comfort for long hours of screen time. No more glasses slippage, skin rashes, or discomfort. Veer features AR oleophobic coated lenses that block out up to 60% of blue light from the high energy zone to help reduce eye strain. On top of that, it also offers an extra 25 to 30% blockage in that sleep cycle zone to help improve your sleep routine and quality, enhancing your vision and focus, providing you with the most suitable attire for your digital lifestyle. That's not it. Every pair of Veer comes with a TAC polarized magnetic clip-on, featuring multi-layered lens technology that blocks out more than 99% of harmful UV up to 400 nanometers. Exceptionally useful for driving and outdoor activities. Embody fashion and technical efficiency altogether. Strength, versatility, comfort, and utmost protection. The perfect fusion between style and aesthetic functionality.